Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to practice Excel or Power BI related functions. You can use not only in Excel but also in Power BI because both we can use the same functions, and it is very useful guys. If you are able to if you learn this kind of function that are date, yeah, date and number functions guys, it is very helpful for your careers. And if you want to calculate to work any kind of calculation numbers and date related things, then most important thing, you can easily work on any date or number. So without delaying, let's get started today's session about. This is my screen and we are going to learn today function, now, year, month, day, dated if, e-date, round, integer. Okay, so how does it works? Let's we practice, then only we can understand how it works. So guys, here we are going to use functions. Like first one is today. How it works? It is very easy guys. Today, if you want to get today data, then you must have to use is equal to. Okay, just use is equal to and type today, TODAY, open bracket, close bracket, and enter. So guys, did you get it? It's a very simple. Today's date is 26 August, 08 is August and 2026 year. And after using now, we are going to do the same, but in now we will get time as well. Okay, so for that purpose we use now. Let's see how it can happen. Is equal to now, NOW, open bracket, close, and then enter. So are you watching guys? It is showing not only date but also time. For that purpose we use now and right now. Here is one date, or you can see here is one date, this is one date. I just want to bring out the year from that date. Okay, just take out that year only. So how it works? It's equal to year. Here it is showing year. You just have to select that one, year, and I am going to select this one. Okay, then enter. It has been come 2024 guys. Are you watching? The year it is showing, it has been brought from the date. Okay, just we wanted to calculate to bring or take out only year from the whole date. Okay, so for that we use year function. And if we want to bring month, then use is equal to month, month. Here it is showing in formula, just click on that, then it will work very good, fine way. So just select again that date, enter. As it is 01 means January, so here it is 1 month. And again if I want is equal to month, month, just select this one, and I'm selecting this date. Whether are you watching guys? It is here it is showing 8 means August, so it is here Now we are going to day is equal to day. So write down day and just select day and serial number. What is the serial number? We are just selecting this date, okay, and see what happened. Oh my god, it is happening. It works, guys. Like this is the 15th of January 2024. So 15th has been come, 15 is the day. And now we are going to practice dated diff. Means difference with two dates. Difference between two dates. Suppose here it is showing 15th January 2024 and here it is 26 August 2026. So what are the difference between two dates? How many years or how many months or how many days are there between two dates? We just want to calculate that one. So how it works, let's see. Is equal to dated diff, D-A-T-E, date diff, date diff. So I have selected this one. Okay, escape. If you have selected and want to deselect it, then escape, press escape. And if you want to make it table form, then just select this whole cell and press Ctrl T and OK, guys. Then it has been converted in table. Okay, right now I didn't select that one, so leave it for now. And we were working on date diff. So is equal to date, D-A-T-E, date, D-I-F-F, not F-F, dated diff. Here it is showing. Okay, so first date I am selecting 2026 because it is current date. So I have selected this one, comma, end date, and then I just selected this one. Let's see what is happening. I am also practicing, guys. So enter, not working. So let's try once again, guys. So hey guys, right now after practicing I came to know that how does it works. I'm going to share with you how does dated if works. As it is showing here 2 means difference between 2 years, as 24 and 26, so the difference are 2 years. So how it works, like I'm going to show you guys, like is equal to dated diff, D-A-T-E. You just have to select from here and select the first start date and comma. What is showing here, you just have to select that one, end date. Okay, and then comma, comparison unit, what you want to calculate, year or month or date or year date or month date or year month. So first of all I have selected year. Just select year, then it will show you year. 2 years are the difference between two dates. There are 2 years. And if you want, again just copy here and paste that formula here, Ctrl V. Okay, and dated diff, day 14. Okay, escape. I'm going to write again the formula is equal to DATE, dative. Okay, so again select first start date, comma, last end date, comma, month. I just want to calculate how many months are there difference month between 2 years. So I have done enter. 29 months. There are 29 months between 2 years, two dates. Okay, and how many days? So we will again write is equal to DATED, dated diff, dated diff, and just select this date, comma, this one, comma. Right now I'm going to say if you select D means it will say day, and if we select month and day then just select this one and enter. So what is saying 5 means month and day, it is showing 5. There is 5 months. Okay, we will have to see once by I'm just selecting here day right now. What is showing day? So after selecting day, 887 days guys total in 2 years. So that's how we can works. And e date, why we use e date? To add month, like is equal to, I have written here e date. Okay, e date, then asking here start date, so I have selected this start date, comma, how many months do you want to add, and I have selected 5. Okay, means I just want to add 5 months, number of months asking, so I just want to add 5 months, then enter. It has been added guys. Here it is January. So after January, after adding 5 months, it has been June 06 in 2024. That's how edit works. And in round is equal to, as there is a decimal number here, it is showing decimal number. I just want to make it round. Okay, so is equal to, you have to write round, 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 and select this one, comma, number digit up to, I'm just entering. Yes, you don't have to select any number digit, you just have to select the cell in which your decimal number is available. So I have just selected and it has been rounded. It has been guys rounded 4 5 6 8. Here it is 6 7, but after 5 we count or we add in 7 1 point, so it becomes 4 5 6 8. And now integer. So in integer what happened, if there is any negative point, negative number, -250 negative, so it will make positive, it will remove the negative sign. How it works? Is equal to A B S, means absolute. Okay, you just have to use absolute and select that number and enter. It has been removed, the minus sign has been removed, and I have by mistake I have written here int int will work, but something for different purpose. Here it is what I have applied, abs, absolute, abs. So guys, that's how it works. Today we have learned, and we will also learn int, integer, int, integer. What is about that? Integer, as you have showing, decimal with minus, minus with decimal number, minus with decimal number. Okay, so is equal to int integer. It is called integer. Just select that one and select this number and enter. It has been removed, decimal has been removed, and it has been rounded figure. -4 become -5. That's how guys we have practiced date and number functions today. All date and number function. Go practice throughout the week and keep learning, keep signing. Thank you. If you are interested to become a data analyst, then go watch my uploaded video. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next video.